I don't know why, but I decided to recreate Clash of Clans with Unity. And for that, I need a character and also some buildings. So I googled it and found this character. It's from Unity Asset Store and it's free. So I imported the model into Unity and added some animation with the animation controller. And also I added a boolean parameter so I can easily switch between walking and attacking. And then in 3ds Max, I started to build some building for the game. So I started with the town hall and added some details. And then I created the destroyed version of it. And then I did the same process for other buildings. Then I recreated the landscape texture and put it into the Unity. And also added a script for the camera so I can easily drag screen to move and also scroll to zoom in and zoom out. Then I added buildings into the scene and also the destroyed version of them. And I put them into the same position. So I can easily switch between the destroyed mode and not destroyed mode. And I put both of them in one game object. And I did the same process for other buildings as well. Then I created a script for buildings. So I can control properties and destroying mode. And then after adding some particle systems and script, so I can easily destroy buildings. Great. And then I did the same process for other buildings. And then I added a health property for each building. And also added some ranking and damaging system so they get different damages. Then I created a slider to represent the health of each building. And through a script, I positioned them on top of buildings and I updated their position over time. Then attackers. So how exactly attacking system in Clash of Clans works? So agents after spawning to the scene will attack nearest building. After destroying that building, they will attack another building. Note, they don't attack destroyed ones. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna find all of the buildings in the scene with the help of the find game object of type, and we're gonna loop through them and find which building not destroyed, and also we're gonna do a loop to find the nearest one. And then I created a manager script to be able to tap on screen to instantiate attackers on the point. As you can see, it's good, but there is a problem. Attackers only attack buildings in one point. They will attack buildings in one point, and this is a disadvantage of navigation set destination. So how can I fix this? I added some coding and shooting array toward the building, and we saw a point and we attack that point. Now it's better. Then sometimes some attackers are attacking the same point. So I decided to randomize the point so they attack a randomized point. Then I created a marker so you can easily find out which building you are attacking. I added to Unity and added some animation, and also added some coding to position it on top of the right building. Then I created a cannon for the furnace and added some details and also the destroyed version of it, and added to Unity and added some particle systems and much more. Then I created a script to find all of the attackers in the scene and attack the nearest one. But as you can see, the delay between two spawn is too short. It's because it's affected by FPS of the game. So I replaced the code with a coroutine method to fix that issue. As another defense system, I decided to add another character to this building and adding some code to be able to attack attackers in the scene. Then I googled and found some soundtracks from Clash of Clans, and after processing and cropping and also adding some post-processing effect to the scene, this is how it comes out.